Welcome to the installation training video for the 2GIG PIR 345 passive infrared motion detector. Verify that the package includes the following: 1 passive infrared motion detector, 1 plastic mounting bracket, 1 plastic wall mount, 1 plastic corner mount, 2 plastic wall anchors with screws, 1 short Phillips head screw with fender, 1 short Phillips head screw, and 1 lithium battery. For direct-to-wall mounting, first remove the PIR backplate. Then, using 2 plastic wall anchors to screw in the PIR backplate into the wall at the height of 7.5 feet. For the wall, use the wall mounting guides. For a corner mount, use the left or right corner mounting guides. Reattach the PIR to the backplate. Reattach the screw that was removed earlier to the bottom of the PIR. Follow the tips and guidelines for mounting locations in the 2GIG PIR 345 installation guide available with the PIR, or you can go to dealer.2gig.com.